I get for trying new things. Okay, attempt number 2.
Good afternoon, everybody. So right now I'm just getting my makeup sorted because I am about to go and get my hair bleached by my dear friend Ryan, who does most of my hair. I've modeled for him quite a few times. He's just this lovely, gorgeous Englishman, and he is such a good hairdresser. So I've been going to him a lot lately, and we sort of have a thing going where I model for him, he does my hair, which is great for both of us. I'm supposed to get there at about 6:37. I am a Virgo, so I like to be there on time, so I'll probably get to the train station at 6:30 and then get to his by like 6:45. So as you can see, my hair is just like it's got like at least an inch of regrowth, so we're really working with some decadent regrowth right now, and the green is completely faded. What you see on camera is actually pretty similar to what like it looks like in person. So we're gonna be we're gonna be bleaching my hair today. I'm hoping for platinum, and we might be I'm growing it out in terms of length, so I don't know if we'll be like trimming any of it, but if we do, it's only going to be just like a little cleanup but not taking much length off at all. Now we're going to look at what we're wearing. So for my fit, I'm undecided which pants, but for the top we're going to do a collared shirt, this top that I got from an op shop, basic jewellery, basic rings and earrings, and then I can't decide on pants whether it's going to be these like pinstripe pants or whether I'm going to go for these red panel pants, and then just my 𝐓𝐞 boots because they're comfortable, easy, and give me height. But I'm going to pop the fit on and then show y'all which pair of pants I go for. Okay, fit's done. I did end up going with the stripy pants because I'm just not feeling like the tightness of pants right now. But we have the button up, white button up, which was thrifted, and I cropped it underneath so it doesn't get all like bunched up. The t-shirt is from, like I said, from 𝐓𝐴𝐸𝐻, and I just like it. I'll show you up close in a second, but I just like it because the text looks like it's metallic almost. Then I put on a grommet belt, the long pants, and my 𝐓𝐞 platform boots. Okay, I just totally changed my top because I figured I'd be really cold, so same like everything else fit. Sorry, I'm just gonna, there we go. Same everything else, but just change the top to this contrast stitch green one as like a goodbye to the green hair. So I'm just on the second train now to the salon. But that clip I just showed you what it's eating, I just dropped the potato cake on the ground and I'm so gutted because I really wanted that potato cake. And that's my dinner, or was my dinner. And now I don't get it, so I'm really sad. I'm so clumsy, what the hell? Alright, we're here. My dear friend Ryan has just slipped out to grab us some snacks. And my makeup is coming from my nose, so just don't expect me to look cute in this video at all because it's not going to happen. But yeah, Ryan's just gonna grab some snacks and then we're gonna do the filming of some hair transformation stuff over here. I'm so excited to ditch this color. I love the green, don't get me wrong, I fucking love the green. But it's just like, it has time, it's gone a bit funny. And we're like ready to move on to blonde and become a blonde bitch. So wish me luck, guys. Yeah, well that's the thing, I was like, well cause, okay, this is the thing, like, cause I've gained weight over quarantine.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, that's a setback in my modelling, but then I'm like, fuck it, like, they either want me or they don't.
Fiercely real model bitch.
Yeah, like, you either want a real model or you fucking don't.
Right, but the thing is that like you need to realize as well is that you're not selling what you are tomorrow or yesterday.
And that's,
you are selling who you are today.
I was like, well, I can't keep waiting for tomorrow because tomorrow might be better.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, like I said, like you either want me now as I am, as
Girl.
the type of lamb, or you don't want me at all.
Girl, I'll back you up. Like, I'll back you up 100%. And if they don't, I want to open my own modelling agency.
Dude, I've always thought about doing that, and like having people on board.
Just real.
Yeah, like just real bodies, real marks on people's, like real scars, real tattoos, just whatever.
Yeah. And that's what it needs to be. And like, but that's the thing about you is that you take probably one of the best beauty shots that I've ever seen, like stunning, but you can also do full body shots.
Yeah, totally.
You know what I mean? Which I didn't know until we shot with Roy that day at that abandoned place. When you shot those fulls, I was like, who is this bitch?
Alright, I'm gonna wash it out now. I'm not gonna film this part because, like, you probably don't need to see the toner getting washed out, but I'm so excited to see the finished product. It's gonna look so good.
You ready?
I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's it's like a really musky,
Give it a finger and play around with it and.
Dude, that's so pretty.
Oh
my god, actually, it's actually a lot more like cooler than I thought it was gonna be, and I love that. It looks so good on camera. It looks metallic on camera.
Amazing.
That's fucking awesome. I can't believe that was green before.
I know, right?
Like, what the fuck? As if that was green before. No, it's like literally opposite spectrum.
The opposite.
You see what
right.
I mean? Like a pinky baby.
Yeah, that's cool. That's gonna fade, and that's gonna fade out.
Wait until it's dry.
So nice.
Wait until it's dry. Guys. It looks so sick.
So here you go guys, is the finished result. We've taken Taylor from an acid green to a beautiful rosy baby blonde in one sitting with 0 damage, thanks to Olaplex and 𝐓𝐴 for this one, and we toned with a Lumina Weller 838, 10 stroke and 065, and we've got this really beautiful rosy pink colour.
It's so good. I'm so happy with it. It's so good. It's like better than I thought it was gonna be. I actually explained to them before that I was gonna go like blonde, but now we're like at this, and I think this is so much cooler than what I had in mind.
Well, it always has to have a little bit of a kick, doesn't it? It can't be too boring.
It looks so good. Thank you. Hi all, it's the next day now, and I just wanted to jump in here to finish off the video and show you what my hair looks like the next morning. So basically I have just jumped through the shower, re-wet it to reposition it to this. So now we've got this sort of like spiky, dusty rose to fade out to blonde look, and I am so happy with the way it's turned out. I really wanted to thank Ryan for being part of my video and also just doing my hair so well. I also wanted to just briefly let you all know the importance of having a hairdresser that knows your hair and has worked with you for a while, because I used to be someone who would just jump from hairdresser to hairdresser, whoever was could get me in the quickest, whoever was the cheapest. But being able to, and I am very blessed to know Ryan, but being able to have access to a professional hairdresser that looks after you and knows your hair history is so important. I do know Ryan through modeling, and Ryan looks after me very well, so thank you so much. But if you are wanting to really go on a hair journey and enjoy the experience of how your hair can be shaped over time, I would definitely recommend that you do find a hairdresser that works for you and one that understands you and is willing to put in the effort for you. I'll be leaving all of Ryan's links below, so if you want to check Ryan out and you are in the Victoria, Australia area, then you can definitely go and see Ryan, because Ryan is an amazing hairdresser and I really wouldn't trust anyone else with my hair at the moment as much as I do with Ryan. So thank you so much, Ryan, for doing my hair. Thank you for being part of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this washed out green to blonde dusty rose transformation. And yeah, I'm so happy with my little pixie dream girl pink color that we've got going on. I can't wait to see how it goes. And like I mentioned at the start of the video, we were going to go for a blonde, and that obviously didn't happen, but that's totally fine, because that's just what happens when Ryan and I get together and we do my hair. It just ends up being like more and better than I could ever imagine. So I'm very happy with what we have here. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching transformation, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.